how to log in Capital One online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Capital One Financial Corporation is an American bank holding companies visualizing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts. In order to log into Capital One online banking account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.capitalone.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Capital One. On the top right of your screen, you will see the Sign In button. Tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your username and your password. If you want the device to remember your login details, then select the Remember Me checkbox and now go ahead and tap on the Sign In button, and with this you will be signed in to Capital One Bank successfully. Just in case if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can always tap on the Forgot Username or Password option there and recover your username or password. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.